Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 628, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. Firstly, click on calendar and pick a date. I will go with that one. Then tap on this plus icon at the top right corner and customize your event however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, scroll down, pick time zone, pick starting hour, ending 1, or turn off this feature completely by clicking on all day. You can also choose location, take notes, and even set up repeat. And pick one of those options. If you wish to, for example, add event about birthdays, you can click on yearly, and when you're ready, just save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you need to click on it here, tap on it one more time, and just edit at the bottom left corner. Then make your changes. I will go with does not repeat, and save them by tapping on save at the bottom right corner. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it again. This time though, click on those 3 dots at the top right corner and select delete event. Now confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!